We have with us Mr. Asit Bhandarkar, Senior Fund Manager Equity. Asit, thank you so much for joining us. As investors, how do we factor high CPI inflation, falling GDP growth rate into our investment decisions, long term as well as short term?
Well, I would think that these are short-term blips that keep coming, and I think over the last decade we would have seen several of such small irritants in otherwise a very fruitful investment journey. So my point is, yes, when we look at the very short term, the severe slowdown in GDP growth does look like a concern. The fact that inflation is high, which perhaps makes the central bank a little conservative on interest rates. But that said, I guess these things are behind us. As we go into the future, I would think that RBI has already changed its policy stance in a way where it sort of opened up liquidity a little bit. So I would think that if we see medium term, there would be a focus back on growth, and any investor, I would think, has to focus a little on the medium term. Because short term, there can be just too much noise, and we have seen that anybody who overlooks the short-term noise and continues to have faith in the longer-term story of India as a growth destination has generally done well for in terms of investment outcomes.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.